What's going on, everybody? I'm Just G, and I'm back with another great video. So for this video, there's a video game called CSGO. It stands for Counter-Strike Global Offensive. I don't know if you guys heard of it, but it's a first-person shooter game. Well, in this game, you buy these crates, and inside these crates, they got weapon skins, gun skins, and even knives. Now, these knives are very, very rare. So instead of me trying to spend all my money trying to earn one of these rare knives, I decided, why don't I just go ahead and 3D print one? So that's what I did. Now, without further ado, let's go hop into those files. All right, y'all. So I got this file from Cults 3D, which this is a free file, and you can find this file on Thingiverse as well. It comes with basically everything that you're gonna need to assemble this. So if we head right over to my Cura Slicer, the pieces come like this. You have your two top pieces, your two bottom pieces, your knife. I got the end pins to stop the blade from rotating around and the locking pin. You're also gonna need spacers. This file also comes with the actual bolts to lock into the end, but I decided to not get those, and I decided to get M3 screws and nuts at the hardware store. It made it just because I wanted the extra security. And then for my settings, go ahead and pause these settings. Go ahead and pause these if you ever need them. Basically, 0.2 layer height. I did a 100% infill. That way they'll be extra thick and sturdy. Temperature settings 210. Bed plate is at 60. Print speed is at 60. I did enable retraction, so the needle won't hit the supports. 60% touching the build plate. That way I won't get, if you do that, it won't fill in these little holes with supports. Tip for you. Support density at 10%, and they're gonna be made on rafts. I'll go ahead and slice this up. And now we head over to print. Okay guys, so I just finished printing off all the pieces that I need to build this butterfly knife. It works pretty good. I didn't like the hardware pieces that I printed off. It felt flimsy and plasticky, like it's gonna break, so I went to the hardware store and got some screws that I don't think are gonna break. After that, when I put it back together, I think it's gonna be a little bit more permanent. But right now, all I have to do is sand it and prime it and get it ready for paint. I think it came out really good. What do you guys think? didn't think it was gonna come out this good. But man, the details came out good. I was able to sand it down, get it all nice and ready. I went through so much paint trying to figure out what color scheme I was gonna go with. I ended up going to TikTok, believe it or not, and asking the folks there, and they decided, hey, let's land on this deep purple. So I think it looks really good. It looks almost identical as this one. I didn't want to end up with the screws when I built this. The screws just seemed too industrial. I was going to try to ping the knife to the handles, but I don't know how to ping stuff.
Nope.
So I just said, hey, let's just do the screws. I'll work on it eventually. But what do you guys think? How did this turn out? Are there any games that you want me to build something for? Any props? Any movies? Leave it down in the comments. I'm really interested to hear what you guys got to say. If y'all want to see another one of my builds, I did a weapon kind of like a knife just like this. I did the Wraith Heirloom. I'm going to go ahead and leave a tag at the top, and you guys can check out that video whenever you want to. If y'all made it this far into the video, you guys obviously like it, so please go ahead and give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and please be sure, because this channel is about to take off, and I want to take y'all for that journey too. To the moon! That was corny. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. I hope y'all learned something. I hope y'all saw something that you never tried before, and you're going to try it now. And as always, have a great rest of y'all night. God bless y'all. Peace out.
She said we should hook up the boyfriend